Hey guys, Luna here, and well, it feels good to be back. I've missed you guys. It's been a couple of months, but don't want to bore you. I'll dedicate another video telling you guys what I've been up to. I actually want to test out a new segment. It's called the Fashion Formula, and essentially I'm going to share with you guys the latest fashion business news, hoping that you find it useful, so let me know. First, I wanted to share a very inspirational story which ran on New York called The Behind the Curtain Rise to Fame of a 16-year-old sneaker dealer, Benjamin Kix. This kid's business is booming as he coined the term on DJ Khaled's Snapchat. He started as a 12-year-old who bought a rare Nike pair, I think a Galaxy Airfoam, I'm not 100% sure, but now he is on track to make $1 million in sales. What spurred his success? Well, he studied and understood the sneaker reseller market. He also made key relationships with resellers, bought involved, and most importantly, celebrity endorsements. So growing up in Miami, he was able to make a name for himself rather quickly, and he got introduced to DJ Khaled through one of his clients. DJ Khaled is a fixture on Snapchat, and so he was able to introduce him to other celebrities. So what's the moral of the story here? First of all, you don't need a sophisticated website. Sneakerdome.com is pretty bare and bones, and he really focused, the core of his business was all about relationships, and he says it in the article, meeting people face to face. So make sure to understand first and foremost what your consumer wants and make key relationships. Additionally from that, it's really interesting because he doesn't really have a Facebook or Twitter presence. Most of his marketing happens either on Instagram and Snapchat. So good food for thought. I really encourage you to check out the article. It's on New York Cult, link below. Second, watch out, they're cracking down on deceptive endorsement. Are you working on the regular with influencers or bloggers? Well, if you are, watch out. The US Federal Commission is cracking down on deceptive endorsement. When posting, bloggers must be clear that they're getting paid to promote a specific product by adding hashtag ad, SP, or sponsored. So don't get fined, make sure to play clean. The full article is on the business of fashion. So third are new fashion labels who are rocking the charts. In this week's episode, I'm going to talk about Rachel Antonoff. Rachel Antonoff is a fashion designer based here in New York City, and she is killing it. Lena Dunham famously wore her uterus sweater at a Planned Parenthood event and then auctioned it off. Of course, we're not surprised. That's something Lena Dunham would do. So why do we love Rachel Antonoff so much? Well, because her t-shirt slogans are daring, they're unapologetic, all while being adorable enough to wear. She definitely knows how to grab our attention, and her aesthetic is unique. I definitely encourage you to go check out her website. And you'll see how she depicts her garment as if they were part of a sketch from a mystery scene or other shows from another era. She's definitely a genius. Alright guys, well that's it for today. Let me know what you thought about this new show. Do you like it? Should I do more? Put your comments in the comment section, and make sure to subscribe to my